Welcome back to this tutorial. In this video we are going to learn about the program which we will do in Java. So the name of that program is Fibonacci Series in Java. So friends, first of all we have to understand that what is Fibonacci Series. So here I have given some example. Let's suppose we have initialized our two variable which name is A and B, and we have given the values to A which is 0 and B which is 1. So the program says that whenever you are going to include the third variable, so it will be the sum of previous two variables. So let's suppose I've said to you that we have initialized two variable A and B, so the sum of the third variable which is C, so it is A plus B. It means like that 0 plus 1 will be the sum of 1. Things will be happen to the another. Let's suppose I want to add the fourth variable. So how we gonna add these variables? It will be the sum of B and C, and we have value of B is 1 and we have a C value of C which is 1. So 1 plus 1 which it will be 2. Same thing will be happen to the fifth variable which is E. So it will be the sum of C and D which is 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So friends, it is the basic concept of the Fibonacci series. So in this series we are going to use the for loop, and the second one is we will use the sweeping. So how we are going to do? Let's get started. So first of all we are going to write public static void main, and then inside these brackets we will write friends. Now we are going to initialize our two variables which are A and B, and we are going to take the values of A and B from the user. For this we will use a scanner input, and we will use the new as a garbage input system.in, and now we are going to initialize our variables. So friends, we have initialized our A variable. Same thing will be happen to the B variable. So friends, now we have initialized the two variables which are A and B, and now we are going to use the for loop. So here we have also initialized a variable I for using the for loop. So let's suppose we are giving the initialization which is I, let's suppose it is 0, and now we have to say the condition. So I which is equals and less than, which is less than or equals to 10, and the third will be the incrementing, so I plus plus we have used. So inside this for loop we will say that we will again initialize our variable C, I have said to you before, which is equals to A plus B, and we will use the system dot. So friends, now what gonna be happen? It will print C which will be the sum of A and B. So now friends, we have used the sweeping. Let's suppose we are going to again work onto our pen. So friends, what I have said to you that how we are going to use the sweeping. I will say that the value of B will becomes A and the value of C will becomes B. So how it gonna be happen? I will say here A which will be B and B which will be C. So friends, it is the sweeping, and I have already made a tutorial about the sweeping, that how we can use the sweeping in Java, so you can see below. So now friends, we have done our project. So now let's initialize. So I am the user, I am writing 2 and the third number will be 5. So friends, the program has given us the 10 number. I have said to you that it will run for 10 times. So the first number was 2 and the second number was 5. So the sum of 2 plus 5 will be 7, and the sum of 5 plus 7 will be 12, and then the sum of 7 plus 12 will be 19. Same thing will be going on until and unless we have used here the condition which will be initialized up to 10 number. So friends, you have seen that it has written the 10 terms of the series. So friends, it is the Fibonacci series. Friends, if you have any question, so you can ask in a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, and please click on the bell icon so you will get the notifications from our video very first time. Thanks for watching this video. Keep supporting.